the certification like the products can be given as mega dosage, which means the product doesn't really have any side effects in the real life, which means also that we are using 100% herbal extracts in our products. And all these products have been manufactured in our own manufacturing company, which is also known as Vijayani Nutraceutical, which is a sister concern of our company. And here, all our products are manufactured in GMP practice. Our company is already FDSA member, which means Federal Direct Selling Association, and we also have tie-up with Pondicherry University, where we do rat study, mice study, and human study for each and every product before we launch our products. If you see the in traditional business, what happens? The manufacturer manufactures the product. After that, the product reaches the super stockist. From there, it reaches the stockist. From there, it reaches the warehouse. Then it reaches the wholesaler. From there, it reaches the retailer. If you see all the costs that have been borne on this product, if the manufacturer has produced the product for 30 rupees, and almost 45 rupees extra goes to all these intermediate people, and the advertisement cost of the product is around like 25 rupees, and at the end of the day the customer has to pay rupees 100. But if you see in direct selling industry, what happens? The product is being manufactured by the manufacturer, that is us, Orience Global Marketing, and you as a distributor of the company will be selling the product, and the company will be sharing 70% of its profit to you. So that's the reason many of the people today are opting for direct selling business, where there is a huge opportunity to earn money. If you see, the direct selling business is whole of, it's called word of mouth business. Word of mouth business means just by telling what you have experienced by using our products, you can develop your business. For example, many people might say that I've never done direct selling business, but everyone in real life are already doing direct selling business, which means, for example, if you watch any movie and you liked it very much, what do? We tell to our friends that it's very nice movie, please go and watch. At the end of the day, does that give you any results or fetch you any money? Actually no, but still we are inborn in with this habit of saying these things to the people. For example, you go somewhere to a good restaurant, you have some nice dish. What do? We actually recommend to other people that this dish is very nice and you can go and taste it in that particular restaurant. Does that restaurant pay us anything at the end of the day? No. But here what happens, when you use a particular product and you liked it, and when you start sharing it, from that you are going to earn money in this business. So that's the reason direct selling industry is always called as word of mouth business. Next, we are going to see the most 5 important components of getting started. They are like dreams, law of attraction, name list, invitation, and presentation. First, dreams. Everyone, whoever is doing direct selling, must have a dream to achieve. That will be a drive for them to push, or it will be a driving force for them to work in the direct selling industry. Which means, what is the reason behind that you joining in Orience Global Marketing? What is that you wanted to achieve in say 3 years time, or 5 years time? What is that you wanted to achieve? Always make a dream and write it down. A research says that writing down your dreams, people who write down their dreams, 80% of the people have achieved their dreams, which means the people who have not written their dreams will not achieve. And it's a wide truth. So it's very, very important that everybody of us write our dreams down. And next, what we do is like we chunk down the process. For example, say in 5 years time, if you wanted to achieve 5 crore rupees, if you wanted to achieve 5 crore rupees, then what happens? You chunk it down and see per year how much you are supposed to achieve. For example, say in a year you wanted to achieve 1 crore. If it's a 5 crores in 5 years, in 1 year it's 1 crore. So in a month, how much is it? It's more than somewhere around 8 lakh rupees. So how do you achieve that 8 lakh rupees per month? And what is the title that you want to achieve in Orience to reach that goal? So when you chunk down the process, it's a saying in English that you can't eat an elephant in one bite, but you can cut an elephant into small pieces and have chunk by chunk. So it's important always to chunk down your dreams, which is also called as reverse calculation, which is the most important simple thing to make sure that you achieve your dreams. And always make sure your dreams should always scare people. For example, say if someone asks you or me, what is your dream? I would say I wanted to earn 100 crore rupees in say like 5 years time, and people would laugh on me. That means I have really dreamt something big. So always make sure your dreams are big enough and it should scare you and also people who listen to them. Two, visualization and law of attraction. It's the most important thing. People say you become what you think. So always keep thinking what you wanted to achieve in your life. Say from people mostly misjudge. They say like they overthink that what I can achieve in 1 year, but they underestimate themselves what they can achieve in 3 years or 5 years. Mostly people when they make their goals or dreams, what they do is like they make it for 1 year. Don't make your goals or dreams for 1 year. Make it for 3 years or 5 years. Why is that? Because you become what you think and it really takes some time. So every day morning you visualize what you wanted to become, and in this universe has a lot of power, and the wavelength that you think, the frequency that you're thinking in will match with the frequency in the universe, and the universe will send people according to your wavelength. For example, say you wanted to become gold director or you wanted to become crown ambassador in 5 years time. So what will happen when you keep thinking the same thing over and over again? The universe, you are sending the frequency in the universe. So whoever is thinking in the same frequency will come and match together, and those two people will become ambassadors and you will become crown ambassador. So the law of attraction has a really big power. So please practice this every day morning, and the best method to practice this would be meditating every day. And we also in Orient's Global Marketing, we have a diamond hour. You can also practice that. Three, name list. Name list is like the horoscope that what is you're going to do in the direct selling industry. So name list is a very basic thing that every person who starts doing direct selling should have. That means every person should write the list of people whom he knows in a notebook. Don't write it in a paper and you might miss it in the near future. So what you do, you always write it in a diary or buy a new notebook and write it in. And it's very important when you write a name list, the name list should contain minimum of 200 to 250 people. Where do I get all these people's names and contact number from? Because everybody in today's world are using their smartphones. So if you see, you might be having a lot of contacts in your phone. Most of the people minimum have 200 to 250 names in their contact list. So write down everything. People, most of the people, they say like, why do I even wanted to write? Because I already have it in my mobile phone. Why will I still again write the same thing in a notebook? No, you should still write it in a notebook, because we are going to put them in different categories. What is those type of categories? Before we go there, every person who is about 21 years knows minimum of 200 people according to a research. And where can I put in more people? You can, if you see any person from your relatives or might be getting married. So if you see like you might be inviting a lot of your relative, friends and circular among your family. So which means you're giving invitation to minimum of 200 to 500 people to invite them to the marriage, which means you have 500 people's name list. And you must be having friends in Facebook, Instagram, all the social medias that you have. And very importantly, you must have gone to school or college. From there, you can put all your friends' name and list on this name list thing. And before, how do we categorize this one? We categorize this name list into two categories: category A, category B. What is category A? Category A is something that you will put people here who are interested in doing the Orient's Global Marketing business. And B category would be something where you will put people who are interested in buying only the products where they are not interested in the business. How will I know this, sir? How do I categorize people? It's very simple. For example, if someone is interested in the business, which means He is already earning is not enough for his every month, maybe at the say after 20th or 25th, it is every month he takes loan to fulfill that month, and after getting the salary he is repaying it back. That means he needs to make extra amount. That is what he's been keeping thinking over and over again, but he did not get an exact opportunity to do that. So put all these people's names in this category. Mostly people who are earning, say, less than 20,000 rupees or 25,000 rupees would be interested in making that extra income. You can put all these people here. Next thing, the people who would be interested in products. Who would be these people? Maybe these people would be someone who is already earning more than 50,000 or 60,000 people. Why, sir? Why would they need products? Because most of the people who are earning more would have this habit of going to the restaurants and having foods, or they would order something online on different apps that we have today, and they might be eating food at home, which means at their home someone or the other might be having something or the other health issue. So which means they needed products for them to get well. So what we can do, we can put all those people name list here in the business category. And very, very important, when you are doing a name list, don't prejudge. It's very important, because sometimes while writing in the business category or the product category, what we do, you might think, this person, he might not do the business. This person might not do business and also might not buy product. Let me not write this name. Don't do like that. Please do write everybody's name in the list if you just know their names. And very, very importantly, big fish and small fish is the most important thing in the name list. What is that? Some people might think, this person, he's a maid, is working at some house. Will he be really interested in doing the business? Maybe he might, but how will he buy the products? So let me not write this person. That's a small fish, which you might think. But what might happen, this person might be working at somebody's home where that person already is doing direct selling and he knows 500 people contacts. So through small fish, you can also get big fish, which is very, very important. So do write all these people's name and no procrastination. Many people today who are doing direct selling have never written their name list, many of them. So please don't do that. This is the success formula. These are the 5 things. If you do these 5 things, you will 100% get succeeded in direct selling industry. So please, no procrastination. Please do write the names, and very, very importantly, do follow your uplines. Uplines are the people who have been before you into the Orient's global marketing. Maybe you think I have more experience than them, but still they are they are the people who have more experience than you in Orient's global marketing, because we are the persons who are going to do Orient's global marketing. So their guidelines is very, very important, and they are senior because they are our sponsors. They are uplines, active uplines. So please do follow them. Fourth, invitation. Invitation is the most important thing, because you are going to invite a lot of people to come attend our meetings, product trainings, and all the programs that is going to happen across our company. So how do we invite any person new to the company? So first what we do is like we do an direct initiative, which means I directly meet someone and say them, why don't you come and attend our company's meeting? We have an opportunity where you can make more money every month, or you can have a lot of knowledge about the health, by which you can take consumer products and become more healthier. This is the step 1. A second thing is, it's called one-to-way calling, which means you can contact people over the phone and talk to them and inform them about the opportunity that we have and also about the products that we have. This is called one-to-one calling. And the next thing is three-way calling. Three-way calling means, for example, I have a friend called A. So what happens is, very close to me, whatever I say, it doesn't take it very seriously. But I really wanted him to join in the business, because I see the future in Orient's global marketing. Like say in 5 years, I'm going to make 5 crore rupees. And I also wanted my friend or relative to make more money, because at some point they have believed me. So what I do is like, I call my friend or relative and say them, see, today I'm going to connect to a person who is really, really successful in our company and is really, really busy and he has gotten only 3 minutes and he wants to directly to talk to you. And I take a conference call where me, my friend and my upline, who is successful upline, I connect to them. So what happens? Now my upline will speak to my friend or relative who I wanted to join. So over the phone, I will not talk, I will just listen. Now my upline will explain all the details to my friend or relative. This is called three-way calling. Three-way calling is one of the best thing and it's the most powerful and successful tool for making people to come and attend our programs. Fifth one is presentation. There are three types of presentation. First comes one-to-one meeting, which means I'm directly meet someone and I explain him about the products and the opportunity that we have. Before that, I decide on what to tell to him. Is it the product or the opportunity? What should I explain to him? Before meeting someone, you should actually have an idea what to speak to him. That is the first basic step. And the second thing is the one-to-one meeting should not exceed time more than 10 to 15 minutes. This is called one-to-one meeting. The second thing is home meeting. Home meeting should happen with the name all. The second thing is home meeting. The home meeting will happen by the name only you can understand the thing. It's happening at home. So what happens is like at home we call many people. We invite guests like 3 to 15 people and we explain them about product and also the opportunity. We'll explain both together. But here what we'll do is like we'll talk only about the benefits of two products only and we'll talk about the health and also about the opportunity. So totally the home meeting time will not exceed maximum more than 20 minutes and which is very, very important. Here what happens, the persons who are really interested in buying our products after the meeting will contact us and even the people who are interested in our business after the meeting will come and talk to us and they might ask like how to go about forward. So this is what is home meeting. Next is OBM, Orient's business meeting. The meeting will be held for around 45 minutes. Here we'll explain all the products and also the business opportunity. This will be explained by the leaders around the office and also by the office staff. So here what you can do is like you can invite maximum number of guests from your side to make sure they understand the better version of the company and also about the products. Follow-up is the most important thing because every time that you talk to a new person who is interested maybe in the business or in the products, he might not buy the products because the regular follow-up is what will bring in more business and it's very important. There are people and leaders who have been following people for last 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. After that, few people have joined in the company. So following up is very, very important step in direct selling industry. And next, we have a revolutionary app which is called as Appy Home in our company. Appy Home is a wonderful app through which what you can do is you can sit at home and you can order your products online and the products will be delivered to your doorstep without any extra cost. And what you can do is like by sitting in Delhi, you can order product to someone who is at Kanyakumari and the product will be delivered to your friends or relatives at no cost by the company. And it's a revolutionary app. Even during the COVID time, our leaders earned up to 10 lakh rupees per month just by doing the business sitting at home. So this is the one of the wonderful benefit of our Appy Home. And every week we have wonderful offers for people who buy products worth rupees 1,000, 3,000 and 5,000. Here they get extra products also. In our Orient's global marketing, we have our hybrid uni-level plan where we are paying more than 60% to our distributors. And it's very important people who are consistently doing our business. There are more than 5-6 people who have achieved there and they are in 5 crore club, which means they have earned more than 5 crore rupees already in the company. And it's very, very important people who are doing this business consistently will 100% earn more money. Every time, as I earlier said, people overestimate what they can earn in an year, but people underestimate what they can earn in 3 years or 5 years. So every time when you are doing a direct selling business, you are supposed to give it time minimum of 3 to 5 years time. When you repeatedly keep doing the same thing over years, for sure you'll earn more money. Ethics. Follow the rules of the company. It's most important to be successful, and don't promote any kind of gossips in your team or in your cross teams. And very important thing, don't promote rich schemes. Don't say anyone that if you just join in 6 months you're going to be rich, or without doing any business you can earn more money. Don't promote anything like that. And very importantly, don't sell our products markdowning the products, which is very, very important. Orient's global marketing has a special oxygen training solution through which we continuously give our support to our leaders and distributors, like doing programs like OBM, Orient's Business Meeting, which is happening every day at 6 p.m. in Hindi, and success learning programs, which happens across our branch offices, LDP, LDP, Lifestyle Development Program, that keeps happening across all our branches in every state. And also we keep doing product trainings by our doctors who are already in the company, and also we do NLP trainings to make sure all our distributors and our leaders get continuous education to reach next levels. So kindly follow all these basic steps, especially those 5 steps which I told, and be successful in Orient's global marketing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.